Hello students, welcome to online class of Sri Eknath Rao Khadse Talent English Medium School. So dear students, we have already discussed the poem part of unit 1. Today we are going to discuss the prose part of the unit 1. The prose means lesson part of the unit 1. The lesson name is Neha's alarm clock. So what is Neha's alarm clock, what is written title is, and everything we discuss later. Today's session we will read the lesson and we will identify the hard words. Next session we will discuss its meaning and question answer. Right? So today only I will read and you have read it to me. I think it's a small drama, just like a drama. Dialogue is and everything is given for us. So we will discuss, nothing to worry. I will read and you also read along with me after listening. Got it? So, let us start without late. Neha's alarm clock. Narrator, yani writer. Ring, ring, ring. Of goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and covering her ear with a pillow. Next, singles under the warm blanket, but no, she has to get up. She mutters herself. Neha speaking. This alarm clock always rings at 6 and pulls me out of bed. It's so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes. Narrator. Something falls in Neha's smile. Something falls and Neha smile. Neha. Oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Oh, tomorrow I can get off late. Oh my God, the clock is fell down. It might be broken. Like that, see. Become happy. Narrator. Next morning, there is no alarm, so Neha sleeps and sleeps. The small, chirpy birds which came to window still every morning find Neha still sleeping. Birds, wake up, dear, wake up fast. Narrator. Neha gets up with a start. Neha. Oh no! If it's not the alarm clock, it's these birds. Why don't they leave me alone? Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's comes true. The next morning, there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either. But there is someone else who doesn't want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big, bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. Neha. Oh, my eyes. Now it is sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's come true. Next morning, the sun is behind the clouds. So, Neha snores still to hear her mother's voice. Wake up, sleepyhead. You will miss the bus. Neha. Oh no, why does mother have wake up me? Narrator. There is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch say it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. Neha, Ma, who wake up me today? Narrator. Mother smiles. Mother say, who else? You? Of course. Neha. But I was sleeping. How could I? Mother. Now, tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? Neha. I feel hungry. Mother. Why do you sleep at 9 every night? Neha. Neha said, because I feel sleepy. Mother said, there is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up. Now, oh wow! I better rest now. I don't want to miss the bus. Mother, relax. Today is Sunday. Neha, oh my God. So, it is very interesting lesson for the small kids. They don't know when they have to wake up, how they have to wake up. But when they automatically it will come, they were getting confused and puzzled. So from this lesson we came to know very beautiful lesson and very beautiful moral things. So today just we underline the hard words. Next classes will discuss the meanings and question answers. First, narrator. Second, covering, blanket, motors, unfair, sometimes forget, something. Next, next is fallen, tomorrow. We'll go to the next passage. Here, here. Okay, make it alone. Either someone, bright sun, warm smile. We'll go to the next passage. Sleepyhead, escape, immersion, happens. Next, of course, next afternoon, hungry because relax inside. So, what I have underlined the words you have to write in your notebook properly. Next session we will discuss the meanings and question answer of the relations. Okay? Okay, smile. Thank you. And read properly.